And then after 4 fingers you can join number 2 different color paper, not backside, inside. So how many papers?
2.
Yes, you can roll just one by one, no glue, no gum, just roll 2 papers. And then number 3, the same inside. I can join 3 papers and 3 color. Just roll. And scissor. You know scissor?
Yes.
And here? Just cut half. Same 2 cuts, 2 times. How many times?
2 times.
Then paper fold down. And middle full cut, the center, middle. Or paper fold, English letter T. Letter T. You can hold any festival come. And you can take open slowly upstairs here. This is the first one. You can decoration your border. You can decoration your border line in the board. So I can join how many paper? 3. You can join 4, 5, 6. It's very long. This is the first one. And second one, I can show you some flower. His name rose flower. You know rose flower?
Yes.
So how to show you rose flower? Just paper roll the same. This is the normal paper. You can use any kind paper, like newspaper, plastic paper, chart paper, any kind of papers. You can do inside. And 3. You all understand?
Yes.
Just the paper roll one by one. Just cut the same half, one short, one long. And long side you can cut V shape, triangle V shape. And middle full cuts, 2 color papers, separate, green overside and pink overside, purple overside here. Then pink one, you can cut the round shape cut. You have ball pen, marker. You know marker?
Yes.
Then paper roll, finger press here, the press like that. Then green one, you can fold, just cut leaf. Just cut leaf. 4 times 4 cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4. So guys, this is the leaf. And 1 little cut here and same 2 little bit. And any festival come, your Sri Lanka, many festival, so you can first paper take out. This is the first one. If you interest, it's okay. If you don't interest, press down and twist. Twist. This is the second one. And third one, how to make flower. I can show you the flower. Waste paper cut, then finger, press down slowly. Guys, the complete rose flower. Nice flower?
Yes.
So you like this art?
Yes.
So anytime, you are party time, birthday time, you can decoration your classroom. So guys, this is the second one. And I will show you the garland. Garland, you know garland? Mala. The big roll. This roll is the big roll. This is the normal color paper. You can use any kind papers. Inside. Do you like my art?
Yes.
And inside 3 paper. So guys, I have total model 25 models. How many models? But please, I don't have enough time. After your school, I'll go to other schools. If you learn 25 pictures, I have guidebook. How to cut, how to make. I will show you after guidebook. So, how many paper inside? 4. 4. And 5. The same, one by one. 5 and 6 inside. 6 paper. This is the decoration New Year time. And 7. And this is the last one, 8. How many people? 8. So everyone understand? I have one by one roll, no glue, no gum. Just paper, normal color paper. Inside I can join 8 paper. The same cut, half more than half, 2 times. How many times?
2 times.
But this roll is the big roll. Then finger the paper fold down and middle no cut. Just cut corner side. 5 times little cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times?
5.
The same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times you can cut here. 1, 2 and 3. All paper fold. The cut one, paper fold, the cut one. And any festival come. So just one paper you can hold. One paper. Okay. So guys, anytime, no glue, no gum, the birthday time, party time, New Year time, you can decoration your classroom. Understand? You are enjoying? Okay. Sir, this is the Indian garland for you. Okay. Clap your hand, everyone. Guys, I have, this is the guidebook. This guidebook, how to cut, how to make 3 language. English, and Indian,